Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can create camera details, 3 or 4 cameras with one click. In previous tutorial, I talked about how we can modify tool palette. As I showed you how we can create new category or new commands. Okay, again for today is the lesson is about modifying the tool palette, but how we can create or how we can write down more than one commands or make more than one cameras with one click. Okay, as we said, we have to right click here for 3 seconds, for about 3 seconds, and it will open this one. Okay, so I want to make a new command, and I will here name the command, let's say for cameras, and for about the picture, as we learned before, we can use any picture that we have. Let's say this one. I will delete the rest later, and no problem. For the command, I found this code on internet, and I will describe this. Let me just first copy this one, and I will show you what it makes. What we have now, we have the first one. It will create a camera. Okay, this one, it will create a camera which is it is UCS. On its UCS. After that, it rotates this command ASTM for commands rotate UCS. It rotates UCS. Okay, UCS in about X axis. After that, it will create another camera. After that, it rotate the UCS in Y about Y axis 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times. After each line, we have to write down cancel, so it cancels the previous command. After that, it will create another camera. Okay, after that, it will rotate another UCS about Y-axis, and it will create another camera. After all, we have this one UCS rotate about X-axis with minus 30 degree and about X-axis with minus 30 degree, so that will give us the isometric or 3D view. Okay, and after that, it will create the camera on point 000. Okay, so just click OK, and I will delete the rest. I don't need the rest. As you see, I will let me just remain this one. But for this one, what I have to do, as you see, if you look at here, it creates the cameras, but it's not true. I don't want like this. First of all, I have to change UCS to world. Okay, as you see, I have to change UCS to world. After that, I have to use move tool to move where I want. For example, I want to detail drawing for this area. So just I click here, anywhere, no problem. Click here. Okay. After I click here, I can go to my custom commands and click 1. You see, now I have created 4 cameras for this one. As we know, by default, every cameras are infinity in view. So X and Y direction infinity. When I want to make only detailed drawing for this one, I can I can select everything here, and I can say only from selections. I can say only cameras. As you see, I can select 4 cameras now. Right click and advanced properties. I can change the, let's say, anchor plan, and this one we can use skulls, and for detail box we can 500 by 500, and about x1 axis let's say 1500 1500, so it will show us 1500. It will show us this view. Okay, that's very good. And for about the display type, we want to display, so okay, so just select everything. After that, only cameras. Go to drawing process, and from cameras, as you see, cameras selected. We want to select cameras in an A1 paper, so just click here, just click OK. It will make drawings with these cameras. Before let me just first see the detail drawings here. This up to date, this one I think, yes, this one, the detailed drawing, and open the drawing by double clicking. As you see, this is every view, this side view, every view we have. This is 3D view. As you see, we rotate it by 30 degree, minus 30 by minus 30. We can change that one, this number, for maybe 45 if you want, so as to be isometric. We can just save it, and we can make another one. It's up to you about this degree. Okay, there's no problem with that. Let's say yes, and let's make another command just like before. Command for cameras, and for the command here, I want to just select another one. Okay, just click OK. Click here one time, and again go to ECS. Let me, for this time, move it to this area, and go to your command and just click. As you see, now it creates 4 commands. After that, escape, select everything. After that, go to selection filter, and just select cameras. Again, cameras selected A1, and click OK. We will see the difference between these two, because for the in the first one we had 30 degree, minus 30 by minus 30 rotation about the X and Y axis, and for now we will see the difference. As we know before, if we created before for cameras, every time we have to change our UCS and create cameras. But now, from now, you can make easily, and you have no problems. Let me see. Yeah, as you see, here is everything. Why? Because I didn't specify the XY axis. You see here, top, side, view. If I want to specify, I can just select cameras and right click, advanced properties. From here, I don't want to change it. This one, just click here and fix by 1500, 1500. After that, go to drawing manager, and you see the drawings that need updates. These two, just force update for these two. Now I have this one. Let me open this one. This side view. This is the view, and I think the 3D view is on the other page. This one, I think, yes. As you see, now this is the view that with a 45 by 45 degree, which is isometric. Okay, Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe.